Alright guys, today I'm doing a quick review here. This is the Gluten Free Bar. I did a review of the chocolate one before. If you want to watch the previous video, watch the, it'll be in my playlist, so check that out. But this one here is their coconut and cashew crunch. And if you look at the side panel, let's look at right here, look at that. Vegan, dairy free, no soy, gluten free. Let's see here. Actually, oh, it doesn't say dairy free, but it is vegan, so it sort of has to be. Okay, so here we go. Ingredients are, oh, I just can't read it, but it's toasted cashews, brown rice syrup, and pea protein, rice protein. It's got 12 grams of protein in this. Dates, flax seeds, and it does contain cashews, so be aware of that. Let's open this up. So that's what we get, and we'll do a quick taste test. Just give me 1 second here. Alright, so here it is. I opened up. Sorry, it's got 11 grams of protein. And let's do a quick taste test. So it has a nice soft texture, very similar to like a Cliff Bar. Less sugar, so you can definitely taste it's way less sugar than the Cliff Bar. And taste-wise, it's actually quite good. I like this one more than the chocolate one. The chocolate one is kind of like not as flavorful as this one. So the aroma's better. You got a hint of that coconut. It tastes a lot better. Definitely check out, guys. If you have any questions or comments, post them below and subscribe to the channel.